Assalamu alaikum, me Zunaira Muhammad Anwar, third year student of the software department. My roll number is 17software69. I developed a flying fish game which I developed using the Android Studio. Gone are the days when mobile phones would have simple snake games with the sole purpose of entertaining the users. Today they serve greater and more important purposes. No wonder that mobile game development is now an independent industry with huge worth, which keeps on growing every year. To cash on their growing popularity, people are making some desperate investments in mobile games. I developed this game for the entertaining purpose. This is a splash screen activity of the game. In this splash activity, I put a logo of fish, and after splash activity, I created flying fish view Java class. And thus view class extends view, where view will basically draw the bird and background and wings of the fish and allow fish to fly up in the air. Here I write code to fly fish up in the air. If user touch on the screen, fish will fly up in the air. And in this flying fish view class, I created the life of the fish, and I created red balls, green ball, and red and yellow ball. If fish get yellow ball, then marks increase by 10, marks that are score. And if fish get green ball, then the mark increase by 20. And if fish get red ball, then the health of the fish will affected. In this view class, I set the speed of the yellow ball, green ball, and red ball, and also set the speed of the fish. Speed of the red ball is slightly greater than the yellow ball and the green ball. And when fish get 3 red ball, then life of the fish is finished. Then it send user to game over activity. This is game over activity. In this activity, I put a text view and a play again button. If user click on play again button, then game will play again. Let's connect mobile with the PC to see the game. You see, here is my device. Let's run the app. Then click on green button, it will run. When I click on green button, it will run on my mobile. This is splash screen activity of my flying fish game. Then this is the second screen. If user touch on screen, fish will fly up in the air like this, and I get a red ball, and one life of fish is destroyed. You see the red heart is turned into white, and you see green ball and yellow ball. Green and yellow ball will increase the score if you get it. Yellow ball will increase the score by 10, and the green ball will increase the score by 20. And if you get red ball, it will destroy your life, and you see that. Let's see. If I eat yellow ball, then mark increase by 10, 60, 80, because I eat green ball. Now 100. Now let's get the red ball. If I get red ball, I get 3 red balls. Then our life of fish is destroyed. When the life of fish is finished, then it send user to game over activity. This is the game over activity, and if user click on play again, then the game will play again. Let's see. I click on play again button. Then this is screen appears. Now play the game again. If I get red ball, then it turned into white. Green ball increased by 90, increased by 20. Yellow ball, it becomes 100. Now eat green ball, it become 120. And you see, if you touch on a string, the fish fly up in the air. It is very simple and interesting game. If you are free, you can enjoy this game. Let's get the last red ball. Now this turning into this screen. So this is my project of the semester.